Tired of cleaning the floor every day? The SharkClean robot vacuum handles it for you. Featuring a tri-brush system, smart sensors to avoid obstacles, and app or voice control, it provides powerful cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. What's in the box? In the box, you find the SharkClean robot vacuum, charging dock, side brushes and filter. Want to grab the SharkClean robot vacuum? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features? Strong suction power lifts dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors, delivering consistent performance on everything from fine particles to larger messes. Slim design allows it to slide under furniture and reach tight spaces where dust often hides. It cleans those hard-to-reach areas effortlessly, leaving no corner untouched. With app and voice control, you can start, stop, or schedule cleaning no matter where you are. Whether at home or away, full control is always at your fingertips. Advanced object detection allows the robot to see and avoid ground-level objects like socks and toys, while seamlessly navigating over thresholds and carpets for uninterrupted whole-home cleaning. Specifications. How to use. Remove all protective packaging, including the films covering the sensors and the robot's body. Attach the side brushes securely if they aren't pre-installed, and make sure the brush roll is properly seated. Place the charging dock on a flat surface and ensure there's enough clearance around it. Make sure the dustbin is empty, then set the robot on the dock to start charging before its first cleaning session. First, set up your charging dock on a level surface with its back against the wall. The indicator light will turn green once it's connected to power. Make sure the dock is placed in an open area, free of obstructions, so your SharkClean robot vacuum can easily access it. Start an initial mapping run so your SharkPower Detect can scan and learn your home's layout. Using 360-degree LiDAR smart mapping navigation with a front 3D sensor, it quickly creates a detailed smart map that works in both bright and low light conditions. Once the map is saved in the SharkClean app, you can personalize it by naming rooms, setting no-go zones, and choosing whether to vacuum. How to connect. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the SharkClean. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Press the power button on top of the Shark Matrix robot vacuum until the indicator lights turn on. The robot will power up and be ready for setup. Open the SharkClean app and create or log into your account. Then select Add a Robot and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, press and hold the dock/power and Wi-Fi button on your SharkPower Detect until the Wi-Fi light begins to blink, indicating it's ready to pair. The app will automatically detect your robot, complete the setup, and connect it to your internet. Afterward, you can start or stop cleaning, schedule runs, customize maps, set no-go zones, and monitor maintenance directly from your phone. Maintenance. Start with the filters. Clean them monthly using the included brush and check the seals, but never wash the filters. Next, inspect the side brushes for hair and debris. Use the cleaning tool or a damp cloth to keep them spinning freely, and replace them if they become worn. The brush roll is easy to remove. Lift the tabs, run the cleaning tool down the center to remove hair, and reinstall it carefully with the bristles facing outward. Finally, wipe all the cliff sensors to prevent falls and ensure smooth navigation. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your SharkClean robot vacuum. See you in the next one.